Yes, Codsworth. Welcome back, everybody. So, as the title may attest to, we're going to be doing a run of basically all the railroad missions until we basically hit, you know, a cutoff point. Because, of course, we're still going to complete the game as the Brotherhood. But we're going to go and see how far you can move along with the railroad quest. And our first mission is to go to Good Neighbor and talk to Dr. Amari. So basically, we're gonna be doing nothing but quests for the railroad.
Good neighbor indeed. Certainly no one here is trying to win any awards for cleanliness.
H222 is talking about? Just when I thought one person could only experience so much danger. The patient is resting right now. Were you hoping to say goodbye? I don't advise it. He's far past remembering anything about his old life.
Give him any good memories? Meetings with sexy strangers? That kind of thing?
It's a memory wipe, not a fantasy machine. His new world is very mundane and very normal. Nothing that would draw suspicion.
So you didn't turn him into a spy who was working for a secret organization on Mars?
You don't need to know the details. Just tell me about the original route.
I understand. It's Malden Metro Center. I'm leaving H222.
Hello, person in the chat.
Once he's gone, we never had this conversation. He was never here. Before you leave, take the holotape on the table. It's a personal message for your ears only.
The doctor said I could say goodbye. I've decided to have the operation. I know I'll lose all my memories. I don't want you to be sad. I have nightmares. And this world, the SRB, being hunted, I just can't handle it. Everyone says I'll be safer if I start a new life. I know I'll be happier. My only regret is I'll forget Old Man Stockton, High Rise, and you. Looking back, there's only fear, worse than fear. But
hey, Zeb2626. We are doing a railroad run. So that basically means we're going to go exclusively running railroad missions until we basically hit endgame.
Thanks.
Of course, endgame, I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with Brotherhood, because that's kind of how we started when we shot Father in the face after meeting him. So we're basically just going to do railroad run. We're just going to run the railroad until we hit endgame. And then that's the weird thing about the quest setup here. I technically still have this quest here. Where is it? Form ranks. I've taken back the castle. I don't know why it's still there, but whatever. So we're on Memory Interrupted. Eliminate the Gen 1s at the Malden Center. My god, I've been to the Malden Center so many freaking times. It's not even funny anymore. I don't even know how you get to endgame with the Minutemen, because honestly, what the hell do you do?
We got assigned the same damn job. With all our compartmentalization bullshit, this sort of shit happens. You got the job from the good neighbor side. I got it from Griswold Safe House.
There's also some cool things I'm going to show off when we get back to the Railroad HQ. That I just noticed when I was doing stuff in the background. But we'll deal with that later.
Oh, maybe we should send for more backup.
Drag that candy-ass Carrington out here, too. I'd pay to see that. Well, since we're both here, what do you say the two heavies join forces and rock the heavens a little? Been wanting to see you in action with my own eyes.
You got any details on the op?
They barely told me where the hell I was supposed to go.
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
Then let's show them how it's done.
I'm quickly reaching the point where I'm going to have all the relevant perks as well. I definitely am going to make a new character soon that's going to follow one of the themed guides on... Was it Shoddycast? I don't think it was Shoddycast. Camelworks? One of those. They did a set of themed videos, like sharpshooter build. I think it'd be kind of fun to actually limit myself with a build instead of just always doing the same style, just on different characters. Looting, looting, anything that isn't nailed down. There's still a chain on it, of course there is. Did I kill Glory? Note to self. Make sure you have grenades in hand. Instead of apparently I have no... Oh, I know what I did. It's because I have Nuclear Physicist rank 3, so I use a fusion core as a frickin' mine. Let's try it again. You guys might want to step back. This tends to have a big blast radius. Shit! I didn't kill Glory. Tick, tick, boom! I think I blew Glory into the next zone. I don't think she can, because she took a nuke to the face a second ago. But I think I blew her. I think I blew her into that next loading area. That last grenade. Because I can hear her. I can hear her minigun firing. So I think I blew her into the next area. I love my Synth retexture. It changes their pasty skin to a more natural color, which just makes them all the more unsettling.
Sweet.
Crap. Really? You have the most advanced sensors available. You're gonna find me. I swear, I should make like a mod for power armor that shoots off fireworks. I've got to take a look at the synth AI packages. Because they fight even when they've been disarmed, and I want to apply that same logic to raiders. I'd love to have raiders if they have like their arms blown off, or their legs blown off, they don't just die, they keep fighting. I was saying something about power armor a second ago, wasn't I? Ah, yes. So I posted up to my boob tube a little bit ago, and I was streaming a little bit earlier on Twitch about some mods to power armor that I'm working on. But as I was having some dinner, one thing I got to thinking was, you know what? Given what we can already do, I wonder if I could recreate the medic power armor from Fallout 3. So yeah, and when I release version 2.0 of my power armor overhaul mod, there will be a medic power armor set in there. The medic power armor set will come with, by default, the medical system, you know, the Stimpack one. But this will be separate from the other mods, so you'll be able to have that plus like some other secondary function, like, you know, the core assembler or whatever. And you'll actually be able to choose from a few different options. I'm still looking through the system details for how power armor handles everything. I would love to have a system that could apply like buff out or other chems as an option. And we randomly crashed. Wait for me for the game to launch itself. Come on, Fallout 4. Alright. Seems like it screwed up Steam as well, because usually when I can't launch it, it means that it has caused Steam to have a hissy fit. So I have to force close Steam. relaunch Steam. There we go. And of course, in the updated version 2.0, the jetpack is a separate item from the rest of the torso armor anyway, so you'd be able to have one set of core armor, the jetpack, and then a selection of medical related ones. Did he just grab me in the crotch?